I know some people love to brag when they buy expensive things. I love to brag when I buy cheap things. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. My hair looks crazy. Sorry. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Tradesy. I resell thrifted items and items that I find at stores such as Tj Maxx, Marshalls, and Nordstrom Rack. I flip them for a profit, and this is how I make money online. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It doesn't take you anything. It's just a click of a button, and then you click the bell too so you can be notified when I post new videos. So today I'm going to do one thing that I love to do, which is haul videos. I love shopping. I know some people love to brag when they buy expensive things. I love to brag when I buy cheap things. Today I'm going to show you designer items that I found at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. A mix of both stores. You're going to see on the tags. Everything has the price. Some of them I have listed, some of them are still yet to be listed. And let's enjoy all these nice finds together. So the first thing I'm going to show you are these fry boots. They are beautiful. They have this block stacked heel and they have zipper on both sides. This color is amazing. And very classic boot with the quality that we all know Fry is known for. This one is size 8. I paid $29 for it, which is a steal for Fry boots. These boots go for over $300. And I found another pair of Fry boots. I paid a little bit more for this one. I paid $34 for them. These are suede. Same style, but just a different material, just a suede. They have this beautiful classic almond toe. These were from another day. And then I found this pair today. It's the same style as the one that I just showed, but this one I paid $28 for it. And this one is a size 8. Then another pair of boots that I bought were these Kohan. They have this fold over, kind of a shearling style right here. They are lace up, wedge heel, suede. These are so nice and they are waterproof. I paid $29 for them and they are size 7. I love Kohan shoes. I love selling shoes. They're not good to store just because they take too much space, but they are a great seller, and I love buying them. So I bought these Adidas sneakers, and I paid $10 for them. I did a little Google Lens in the store, and it seems like I can sell this for $60. Which is exciting. So just a reminder that I might not list everything. If I find out that my listings are saturated or not going for as much as I thought they were gonna go, just because I don't have time to look up comps every single time I find something in the store, and because I can return them, so sometimes I just pick them up and decide later if I'm gonna list it or not. Because at home I have more time to do my research and see if it's worth to list it. That's a good thing about doing retail arbitrage. You can return things if you decide that they're not a good investment, which may be the case for this dress. Actually, on Instagram, I asked everybody if I should pick this up or not, and most people told me not to, but I picked it up anyway. It's Love Moschino. It's just a basic t-shirt dress, but I picked it up because people who wear brands, expensive brands like that, usually like to show that they are wearing it. So I paid $50 for this. TJ Maxx wanted $99 for it, and so I decided to pick it up. I did look up comps very quickly. Some of them were not going for too much, but I saw a few of them that sold for over $100. So I decided to take a chance. And what is the size? It's a size 4, US 4. Also, I paid $50 because it has the original tag. So yeah. Just one thing for you to keep in mind is today I found a lot of things with tags switched. I saw a Theory blazer being sold for $49. I was excited and I was gonna buy it, and then I opened the blazer and it said Calvin Klein inside of the blazer. So somebody took the little, fabric tag attached to the blazer and put the Theory tags on the blazer, but didn't remove the Calvin Klein, the big Calvin Klein logo, which I'm glad, because otherwise I would have bought it. And then if you get home and you realize that it's not a real brand, how are you going to return it to TJ Maxx? I was thinking for myself, like, what if I bought this, didn't check that it had a Calvin Klein tag, then I go back to TJ Maxx or Marshall's to return it? You're gonna look at me thinking that I did it myself, that I did this messy job, and that I tried to switch the tags and return a different brand. Anyway, just be careful when you're buying from TJ Maxx. I also saw another brand. It was a Free People. They put the Free People tag, but it had a different tag in the interior. You know how Free People has the RN number 6617. That one had a different RN number. It had a different tag, and it was for a totally different brand. So just keep that in mind when you're buying at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because people do that all the time. They switch tags and they returned, a lesser valued brand to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So anyway, just be careful. Then I bought this chaser top. I saw a lot of chaser at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I know the market is going to be saturated, but I didn't see many of this kind. And the reason I bought this is because of this rainbow right here. It gives me Aviator Nations vibes, so I decided to give this a chance. If I don't sell it, I can keep it. It's just very soft and cozy. This one is a size large. It says weekend. So this next piece, I'm not sure I'm gonna list it just because it's not special enough, but I decided to pick it up anyway and do my research at home. It was $29 instead of $80, and it's Eileen Fisher. It's a size extra large. Eileen Fisher extra large usually does well for me. And so it's just a brown oversized tunic top, and this thing cost $348 originally. So we'll see if I list that or not. When they have designer items, they put this little red thing, and if you remove it, you're not going to be able to return it. So just keep that in mind as well. And another pair of Fry boots that I paid $29 for. This one is actually a different color. See, this one is darker than this one, but they're both beautiful. Then I bought myself some socks. $3.50 for 3 pairs. And I talked about this before. This brand is extremely expensive, and I bought this for $2. It is a color correct, green color correct redness. I think I'm gonna try to resell this just because I don't have much redness on my face. Hair stay here. So yeah, $2. Yeah, I think it's worth the investment. I hope it is. Then my most exciting find. And this is a big risk because this is a high ticketed price. I paid $69 for this gorgeous bag. Can you tell what it is? I don't know how to say this. I think it's Brahmin. If you watch Jack and Ryan, they talk about this brand all the time. And I picked this up because it was originally $149 at TJ Maxx. Somebody wrote as is, so I looked everywhere to find what the flaw is. The only thing that I think that they thought it was a flaw is because the tag was cut out. See? Somebody cut the tags. It was originally $365. I thought somebody returned a fake bag, but I looked inside. Everything checks out. It's gorgeous. It's clean. There's nothing wrong with this bag except the tag, it was cut out. You see inside, it comes with the dust bag, and it has the detachable strap. It has a key fob. It has no scratches, nothing dirty. So I decided to buy it for $69, and I have not looked up comps, so I'm hoping I can sell this for at least $150. What do you guys think? Do you think I can sell this for $150? I have never sold Brahmin ever in my life. I have one listed, but it stinks of smoke so much, and I think that's why nobody's buying it, because of course I noted that in the description. But I decided to pick this up just because it's so classy and gorgeous. I love the color block. I love how soft the leather is. Yeah. So, okay, I guess that's it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I loved buying all of these things, and even though I'm not keeping them. But if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and tell your friends about my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. That I paid $29. So somebody put the theory tags and attached the afraid that it was a switcheroo.